Look, okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the
All right, so it's been a few hours, guys, and I just wanted to come on here and, show you what's going on. The workers are taking a break right now. So, yeah, they have all of the decor packed up in the living room. They took all of the decor off of the bookcase and the desk. They still, I don't think they're going to pack that in a box because it might break. These boxes aren't like wide enough. So I do believe the workers, well, the company that's going to come out to do like the bigger pieces, because it's going to be a different company, they will handle that and like the mirrors and coffee table, stuff like that. So all of the big pieces, those items are going to get done tomorrow. So yes, a lot of decor. I was trying to purge some more yesterday, but I was just so busy trying to get other stuff done. So I have some items that I managed to, take out before, the packers came to just pack everything up. These are items I want to sell, and I do have to give Poshmark a really big thanks for sponsoring this portion of today's video, because I love selling my home decor, all of my home decor on Poshmark. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know this already, but yeah, all of my items are sold out right now, so I need to list new stuff on my account. And you can shop my closet by downloading the Poshmark app using the link in the description box. My closet name is Glam Everything, and you can also shop your favorite brands, sell stuff. If you do sell stuff on Poshmark, let me know what your name is in the comments so I can come and browse, because I love to sell there and buy. So yeah, but these are just going to be some of the items. I do need to update it. But yeah, let me just show you guys. So I have these lamps here, really pretty. I purchased them for my family room, but my husband did not like them at all. He likes lamps with a shade, and it was really bright, like too bright, especially at night when we're just trying to make it nice and cozy. Then you have these bright lamps because it's not shaded, but it's really pretty. Oh my goodness, so glam. But yeah, I don't need them. I was going to use them in my daughter's room, but she already has lamps like this in her room, so I just have extra lamps, and I figured, you know what, let me just go ahead and sell them, because if not, they're just going to sit in storage. So yeah, I never really used them. They're still in good condition. So I have those. And then I have this mirrored tray, really pretty. If your initial is an L, you can easily cover that up. Just put like a candle on top of it or some decor, and you won't even be able to see the L. But yeah, it's a really nice tray. I would use something like this in my bathroom, or if it's like, a small space, because this tray of course isn't super big, but I do have another one, and I'm using it in the bathroom to put like the hand soap and lotion and stuff like that on top of it. But yeah, I don't need two, so I'm gonna go ahead and let one go. And then I have these decor pieces that I figured I'll go ahead and sell. I have so much decor. It's not gonna hurt to let this go, although it is so pretty. Oh my goodness, why am I selling this? You know what? I already have it on camera, so I can't take it back. So yeah, I'm gonna sell this as a set. And then I have some mirrors. I have so many mirrors. I'm like, you know what? I definitely need to get rid of some. But I'm going to sell it as a set of 4. Really pretty. But I have so many of these kinds of mirrors. It's like ridiculous. So I'm going to go ahead and let these go. And then I have this vase here. It's really nice. But I have so many vases. I can definitely let 1 or 2 go. I actually need to go through all of my other vases and see what else I'm going to list. But just check my closet so you can see all of the stuff that I'm listing. I'm gonna add some like fashion stuff as well, but you can just browse my closet, guys. Remember, check the link in the description box for it. So these are some of the items I'm gonna be selling. I didn't have time to just like go through the entire house because I'm trying to, get this place packed up. But yeah, these are some of the items. Just check my closet for everything else. I definitely want to list more because I need to sell a lot of stuff, especially wall decor. But yeah, just check my closet, guys, for all of the items. Looks like everything is out of this cabinet, all of the decor. The TV is down. Oh, I still need to take down my curtains. Oh, I almost forgot about that. I need to do that right now because they are packing like the curtains and stuff. So I need to take down the curtains. The packers, they're not coming to take down anything. If it's on the walls, they're not touching it. So like that art that's in the kitchen, that wall decor, I'm gonna leave it up there because I do plan to give that to my sister-in-law. And then up here is somewhat done, my daughter's room. Her toys are all packed away. So yeah, now we just have the bigger items. The linen closet, yeah, they packed all of that. And some stuff in my son's room. Let's see, did they get his clothes? Yeah. And then we have the master. The bed is sewed. I did sew that to my friend. She wanted it, so we delivered it to her the other day, and I'm not gonna buy a new one until we get to where we're going. So we just like put the box spring and mattress on the floor. It's fine. I have to go back and paint all of the walls that had like TVs mounted to them, and like fill in nail holes and stuff like that. So day one is done, and tomorrow they're going to be packing up the kitchen, my husband's man cave, and the garage. So shouldn't take them long as far as those rooms. You know, they came and tackled all of my decor first because I have like a lot. You guys know this. I have a ton of decor. Like this is all home decor. Like all of this, all of these boxes, nothing but home decor. All right, so today is day 3, load day. I didn't record day 2. I took pictures of all of my big items, my sofas, tables, everything, you know, just to document that, you know, nothing was damaged. We're supposed to be the only family on this truck. Sometimes they do more than one family, like put 2 different households in one truck, but we're supposed to be the only one, so that's really good. And they're gonna be headed straight to the new location when they leave here.
That would phase me.
Could you let me know if any items that's also like you see damaged as well?
I have not really. The worst damage I've seen is going to be the water damage on top of that nightstand.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's
Little gouge, you know, little gouges on
yeah.
this. Nothing. I haven't seen nothing broke except for that bookcase, but I'm not even gonna call that broke.
Okay. All right. So all of the stuff in the bathroom is not getting loaded on the truck. It's a lot, but it's our suitcases and stuff like that because we were told that it could take maybe a week for all of our items to arrive to the new location. So we went and packed up like just a bunch of clothes for at least 10 days. And yeah, come to find out, they're gonna be going straight to the house. They're not even gonna be doing any delays. They're packing up, they're going straight to the new location, and they're gonna get there Monday. Today is Friday, so we didn't even have to pack for 10 days. But it's too late to try to like put some of this stuff in a box.
Mm-hmm. You go fast now. Let's keep going.
Oh my god, you guys, this truck is so packed, and we still have a lot of stuff. Look, they are at the door. I'm gonna see if I can get on the other side. All right, let's see. Oh man, so that side is done, and we have some space on this side. Let's see what we have going on in here. All right, so we have some more space. Okay, we just have like some workout equipment and one more sofa, the one that was in my husband's man cave. So I think it'll fit. You know, it's pretty packed, and this was a really big truck. And look at this side. You cannot fit anything else over there. I cannot believe we have so much stuff. I really wanted to get rid of these chairs, but my husband was like, you know, keep them. We might use them. They're really nice chairs, but I just keep them in the garage, you know, in storage because I don't use them in the house anymore. I do want to revamp this chair, like paint it, change the fabric. This is a very traditional chair though, so it's just not my style. And I mean, I could try to glam it up, make it look luxe or something, but even if I did all that, it's like, where am I going to use the chair? I'm not going to use it inside of the house. The house we're moving to is a tad bit smaller, so I'm definitely not going to need a ton of chairs. So I don't know. I don't want to start taking stuff off of the list right now because we've been doing that all morning, like just taking stuff off of the list because we might go over our weight limit, and I'm not trying to, you know, be paying out of pocket. I don't want us to be paying out of pocket for this move. The military, they give you about 11,000 pounds, and I feel like we might be a tad bit over. Hopefully not, but yeah, I've been wanting to sell these shares for the longest, but my husband wants to keep them. He thinks they're really nice and I shouldn't sell them in case. Well, he has like get-togethers sometimes, so all of his buddies, they come over and they need somewhere to sit when they're out in the garage. That's why I decided not to like let them go, but that's not all the time, you know, that's every once in a while. And I'm pretty sure we can find some seating for them if they come over. But yeah, he likes them, so I'm gonna hold on to them for now. But if it just becomes a major issue in the new house because we don't have as much space, then I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of these chairs. But yeah, let me get up out of here because they're trying to bring more stuff in. Let me get up out of here. So we still have the treadmill, this bench, the lawnmower, this bike, this heater thingy. I know it's like kind of bright. Let me come inside. We still have this bench and this table. I was going to use this table on a screened-in patio that we have, so I didn't want to get rid of it. There's a lamp here. Then we still have this game table. The TV still needs to get packed. And then this boxing bag frame, the rug, these plants. Let's see what else is going on inside. So we still have the sofas and the frame for this coffee table. They took out the mirrors and like put it in a crate. But yeah, we still have a lot of stuff in here, and the rug.
Yeah. So slow. Push it on.
This sofa was in my husband's man cave, so they're getting that in the truck. And then we still have the washer and dryer. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And that truck is like nearly filled with stuff already. Still have the dollhouse and just one box in my son's room. Hi guys, they are done. The house is empty. Everything is on the truck on its way to our new destination. My husband is sweeping right now. He's gonna, you know, sweep up the floors, putting him to work. Putting him to work, right, babe?
You better get the dustpan.
I got the dustpan. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the house. I need to eat right now because I'm starving. But he's gonna, you know, start on the floors. Let me show you guys the rest. Here, babe. Let me just put this right here. But yeah. Okay, so the living room and dining room. There's an echo because there's nothing in the house. But let me come this way. We still have stuff in the kitchen, you know, items that we couldn't put on the truck, and just food because we are still going to be here until Saturday night. Today is Friday, so we're going to get on the road Saturday night. So yeah, we still have food and stuff, but I'm going to call my sister-in-law over to, you know, take some of this stuff. because we're not like wasting food. But yeah, that is done. It feels really good, like not having anything in the house. I know that might sound strange, but it feels really good. The laundry room, need to clean in here. I mean, we need to clean in every single room, but the master bedroom, I did go ahead and leave the curtains up. I do need to borrow my sister-in-law's carpet cleaner because I want to like deep clean the carpets. I feel like they're, you know, kind of nasty. But it's from wear, you know, many years of wear and tear. So, I mean, it's not that big of an issue. But yeah, I don't want it to look so dirty. This bathroom is in the process of getting painted. So yeah, we are painting in here. So this is a mess, but we need to finish this up. We need to do a second coat and we need to go across the top. All right, guys, so it is the next day. We did spend all yesterday just cleaning the house and getting it nice and tidy for our tenants because we are renting it out. But what I'm doing right now is just documenting the house, recording it. I'm gonna take pictures just to prove that we did turn over the house in good condition for the tenants. There's like no damage to the floors, no holes in the walls or anything like that. So if they do come and completely destroy the place, they cannot say, well, we moved in and it was already holes in the walls or the place was damaged. No, boo-boo. Don't even try it. The house is in good condition, and here's my proof. Here's a video of the entire house, and here are some pictures, and yeah, I'm just documenting it. I don't think that's going to happen. Pray to God it doesn't happen. But yeah, we did pick a really nice family to move in. You know, they had to qualify. You know, it's another military family, someone that's high in his ranking, so he knows all about like discipline and stuff like that. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but you never know because, you know, he has teenage boys, so they can like maybe be a little rough and you know, accidentally break something or like, you know, put a hole in the wall or something like that. We just want to have our proof that the house wasn't destroyed. It was in good condition. And we did leave some stuff for them to have when they move in on the first day, like some tissue, disinfectant wipes. And I did go ahead and buy a brand new bottle of the floor cleaner that I like to use on my floors. Is actually in the lease that this is the one they have to use on the floors because I really don't want the floors to get damaged from like harsh chemicals. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, go around and document the house the way it was when we moved out. And yeah, we're just gonna start this drive to Florida. So excited. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. That'll be so awesome. You don't want to miss the new decorating videos and the new house. And don't forget to download the Poshmark app using the link in the description box, guys, and shop from my closet if you want to get your hands on some of these goodies, or you can shop from your favorite brands. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.